Hello everyone, this video is going to be very exciting because you can see my balance is now $205. I started this trading account from $4 because my $4 is now $205, and here is my trading history. You can see I lost 3 trades, but majority of my trades are winning. So this is from real account, and today is 9 March. So in 9 March, I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have taken 9 trades and I own 7 of them. That means which is very good, and I made around more than $35 today. So as long as I am now growing gradually, so I will keep trading like this, and I will share the strategy once I get 100 people interested. Keep watching the Binary Logic, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you have any opinion. So let me show you how I placed the trades and so on. Keep enjoying. Well, I stopped the trading session for today, but you can see I just found another trading setup. That's why I placed the trade immediately once I found the trading setup. It's my 5th trade of my today's session. If I win, then I will immediately stop trading for today because today's session, because I will start another session after 1 hour after taking some rest. So the trade is going good so far. Oh my god, it's going up. But why? She should go down, man. Okay, possibly winning. So finally, I have placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades for today, and 4 out of them are winning. I think that's all for today. If you want to have the strategy, how I am placing the trades in live real market, don't forget to subscribe my channel, The Binary Logic, and comment below because I will reveal the strategy once I have 100 people interested. Thank you. I just placed one trade here. It was very good setup according to my strategy. Just look at my previous results and just look at my trades running on, and just look at my balance. It's a real balance. Can you see? Real balance, real trade is going on, real trading results from real markets. You can see no OTC. So everything is going good. If you want to know more about my trading pattern strategy and how I turned my $4 to $180, just subscribe my channel and comment below because I will reveal the strategy once I have 100 interested people. Winning trade. Well, here I placed another trade. First of all, I placed the trade here, then it lost, then I placed another trade. So if I show you my trading history, you can see my trades are, I have placed 9 March, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, and 3 winning and 1 losing. I think it's a very good winning ratio. No worries at all. If I find any more trade, I will place. Otherwise, I will stop trading for today. Let me show you. I lost the trade very with a small difference. Okay, now let me show you my last trade that I have taken while my video was off. You can see you can see here is I just placed the trade here. It's supposed to go down, but it did not. There was a little bit of, you can see the gap is very small. I lost the trade with a very small gap, and then I placed another trade with confidence, then it won. So it's very normal. Sometimes I can lose some trades. It's very normal in trading. Don't be emotional and don't be crazy if you lose. But as long as I placed 1, 2, 3, 4 trades today, 9 March 2026, 1, 2, 3, 4 trades. I lost 1 trade and I own 3 trades. I think it's very good. Only 3 trades in